Bacha Party. I hope that you all are doing well. So Bacha log, tell me what is 35 minus 25? Yes? Okay, that is 10. Then 45 minus 25 is equal to 20. Right? 35 minus 35 is equal to 0. So we all are sorted with these answers. Like when we are subtracting this larger number from the smaller number, we always getting the whole number, right? But if I will ask you what is 25 minus 35, then you have a question mark, right? So to represent this difference, we need a new sets of a number. So let's start today's video to know more about them. As we already know about the whole numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. But to meet the need for more numbers, we have added their opposite like minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. Then new set of a number called integers, right? And it denoted by Z. Now on the right side we have the positive integers, and on our left side we have a negative integers. 0 is also an integer which is neither negative nor positive. Now we will see what is the use of integers in our daily life. We are using integers everywhere. Let's see few examples. So bacha log, when we want to represent the temperature, if it is too hot, then always we will represent with the positive integers like 40 degree Celsius. So plus 40 degree Celsius. But on the other side, if we want to represent fall in temperature, so we are using the negative integer, means minus 40 degree Celsius. Let's see the second example. Bank. If I want to add money in my account, means I want to credit, so it will show with the plus sign. For example, rupees 300. And if I want to debit my money from my account, so it will represent with the negative integers. The third example is distance from the sea level. When we are going to the hill station, they have written this hill is at the height of, let's say it will represent with the positive integer like 1800 meter above the sea level. And on the other side, the distance below the sea level will represent with the negative integers like 1800 meter. As a recap, the set of whole numbers and their opposites are called integers and denoted by Z. Let's learn some interesting points of integers like minus 1 is the greatest negative integer. Second point is plus 1 is the smallest positive integer. And third point is 0 is neither negative nor positive. I hope now you are clear what are the integers exactly. Today we are going to learn integers on number line. As in the lower classes, we already know about the basic number line. The number towards the right of the 0 are in the increasing order like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. But the number on the left of the 0 are in decreasing order like minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. And the number toward the right of the 0 are called the positive integers and the number toward the left of the 0 are called the negative integers. Now, let's understand more about the number line. Let's take an example. If I will take these two numbers 1 and 2 and I will ask which one is greater, so you are very clear, yes ma'am, 2 is greater than 1. Yes. But on the other side, if I will take these two numbers, minus 1 and minus 2, if the same question I will ask which one is greater, you will say, yes ma'am, minus 2 is greater. But now you are may be wrong in this case because as we are moving left towards 0, the numbers are in decreasing order. Means -1 is greater than -2. Now, let's solve few examples based on integers on number line. Let's solve this on number line. So first digit is -3. So from 0, we can directly jump to -3, but don't forget to put the arrows. Now, the symbol is of plus sign. Plus sign means move forward, and the digit is -3, means in the negative direction, means in the decreasing order. So 1, 2, and 3. Now we have reached to -6. Okay, so answer is -6. And put the arrows as well. Let's solve one more example. -6 plus 4. Now, from 0, let's directly jump to -6 and put the arrow. Now, the second sign is a plus. Move forward. And the digit is 4. Means plus 4. Means go to the increasing order. So, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, we have reached to -2. So, the answer will be -6 plus 4 is equal to -2. And put the arrows. Let's solve these sums now with the help of sign conventions. So what are the sign conventions? Sign conventions are some rules that we need to follow while solving the integers. So these are, if we have the two same sign like plus and plus, the final operation will be of adding. And if minus and minus same sign, then the final operation is of plus only. But on the opposite side, if we have two opposite signs, the final operation is of subtraction. And same with the last one, like minus plus opposite sign, and then we will do the subtraction. Now let's apply all these sign conventions to solve these sums. The first is -3 plus -3. So let's open the bracket first. So -3 plus minus. Plus minus means opposite side. The final operation is of minus. So let's apply minus here and 3 as well. We have minus minus means minus minus. The final operation is of addition. So 3 plus 3 is 6. But which sign we will put here? That both the digits having the same sign. So we are going to put the minus sign. Let's solve one more example. -6 plus 4. So minus plus is minus. So 6 minus 4 is 2. Right? But now which sign we need to put? We will put the sign with the greatest number. So 6 is greater than 4 and 6 having negative sign. So we are going to place here negative sign. Now this is a practice question. Solve -4 from -11 using number line and sign conventions of integers. You can send your answer, keep for your answer. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.